friends, welcome back to Novita Creations. Today I am telling speed, distance, time from GCSE Maths. In GCSE Maths Foundation, we can see the questions about speed, distance, time, and all we need to remember this formula to solve those questions. Here I solved some questions. You can see Tom drives at an average speed of 90 km per hour. So we need to underline what they are giving hints. So speed they given speed of 90 km per hour for 30 hours. That means they given time. So they given speed and time already key points of this question. Yeah, and then we need to use this formula to solve this question. Work out how many kilometers Tim drives. That means how many kilometers means distance. We need to find distance. When it is distance, we need to find this one. So speed times time. This is the way we will solve this question. So the given speed equal to 90 kilometers and time equal to 3 hours. I converted time 3 hours into minutes. 3 into 60 equal to 180 minutes. So 90 times 180 equal to 16,200. 16,200 divided by 60 because we converted hours into minutes, so that we need to divide this number by 60. So we will get 270 kilometer. He drove 270 kilometers. Read the question carefully. Underline the key points in your exam paper first. Take at least 1 minute time to understand the question and what it is asking and what are the key points to solve this question. These 3 points are must for mathematics to solve the problems. Sweetie walked a distance of 19 miles in 5 hours time. Work out Sue's average speed. Give your answer miles per hour. So here we can see same triangle DST. This is the formula of speed, distance, time. So what they given 19 miles in 5 hours. 19 miles. Distance they given 19 miles distance and time 5 hours. We need to find speed. Speed miles per hour. So we can see if we close this, we need to find this one. So the formula is speed equal to distance by time. So our calculations are they given 19 miles in 5 hours. So distance equal to 19 divided by 5 equal to 3.8 mph. Read the questions carefully and understand the question carefully and try what they are asking and please underline the key points in your question so that you can solve mathematic problems very easily. And please remember the formula of relevant question, relevant formula for relevant question. Try this. This one, try this and post your comments in my comment section. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching Novita Creations. Please subscribe to Novita Creations for more interesting and useful GCSE Maths Foundation videos. I will see you soon with another video. Thanks.